What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a private tab on Safari on your iPhone. This will help with being more anonymous and not having to worry about websites collecting your data. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says Safari. This is my icon right here. But if you can't find it, you can always just swipe down from the middle of your screen and type in Safari. Okay, so now that we open Safari, let's just, for example, type in, I don't know, Etsy.com. Okay, right now we're browsing in normal mode, okay? So if we start browsing and clicking, Etsy is going to remember who we are, our IP address and stuff like that. And they do this so that they can know what we like and therefore offer recommendations. But this can also be a two-sided sword. It can also work against us. So sometimes we want to browse a website or several websites in the more anonymous mode. And the way to do that is like this. I'm going to head on over back to my screen. I'm going to find the Safari app and I'm going to press and hold. As you can see, this little menu opens up and you can see we have this options on the bottom. The one on the very bottom says new tab. That would open a regular new tab. But if we want to open a private tab, we hit this option right here. Click on that and you will see this little advert. It says private browsing mode. It says Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information after you close a tab in private browsing mode. So whatever you type in, if you type your name, your address, any other information you may find confidential, it's not, once you close this tab, it's not going to remember it. And it's also not going to appear on your search history. So you can type whatever, or we can type apple.com. And anything we do on this site, it's not going to be remembered. So this way we can have a lot more privacy. Just keep in mind that if you want to later go on back and see what you were browsing, the websites you watched, you won't be able to see them because you're in private mode. So I guess this is it. I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you more videos like this. Cheers.